Hey friends, have you ever wanted to make your own animated GIFs for your chats or social media? Well, I found the easiest way to do it using Canva and it's total game changer. Whether you want to create something fun for your stories or add a letter flair to your posts, Canva makes it super simple, no need for fancy software. Just follow a few easy steps and you will have your own personalized GIFs in no time. Let me show you how. It's seriously that easy. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video. I hope everything's doing well first. And in today's video, I will show you the step-by-step how to create a GIF using Canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, all I have to do is come back to the top and you have just to sign in up, or you can just click over apply now and you'll find a page which is this one after adding or linking your personal information such as email address and your password. If you already have an account, you'll find like that without finding here the button of signing up and also log in. You have just to click over here in the profile and you click over home and you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. So okay, Canva is basically the super easy online design tool where you can create all kinds of cool stuff like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. It's perfect for anyone, even if you don't have a background in design. Now, here is the fun part. You can also make animated GIFs on Canva. It's super simple. Just pick a design, add some animations, and boom, you have got your very own GIF to share with friends. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. Just to get started as soon as possible, and you have just to sign in up and you'll find this page as you can see right now. I will show you how you can get started. You have just to click over create a design and you have just right now to add the width and the height and also select the units that you want, and you have to select if you want inches or millimeters or also centimeters, and you click over custom size and then you find the page of your dimensions, right? Or you can just search for the GIFs here and you'll find a page which is this one, and we have your various templates. You can just click over see all and you have to select the template that you want. And firstly, you have just to select the category that you want, if is it dependent or related to the business. If you select business, we have here such as presentation, whiteboard, business cards. So let's just discovering this one here in the top left. We'll find here the categories, for example business. If you want also social media, if you want also education, video as well. Then we have marketing, print products, then we have cards and invitations, then we have the style here. You have to select if you want modern, simple, minimalist, colorful, creative, animated as well. Then we have here theme, language, feature, then we have grade, subject, topic, and we have the price. I will select the free one. Then we have here about the color. I will select the white one. Then I will click over apply and you will find here the templates that you select are related to the filter that you select. For example, I will select this one as you can see, or this one. We wish you all the best. I will select this one and I will click over custom size right now, and you'll find the page or the side of designing your template. I don't like the first one, so I will just go to the next one and I will delete also here this one by clicking over here, and you will have to click over delete page. About this one I will select it as well. I will just click over here and I will just click over delete. So let's just here search for deleting. Delete, what is it? We have the delete page and we have only this one, and we have about the time here. Firstly, I will edit it and I will put it here, for example 5 seconds is good, and here we have a how it looks right now. And I will just right now add other things. For example, I don't like this one, I will just delete it, and also this one I will delete it like that. About this one we have here, we wish you all the best. I will delete it also, and I will just add something. For example, this one I need it for a birthday. For example, I will just here go to the elements and I will search for happy birthday here. Happy birthday logos. Firstly logo, and we'll find here the graphics. I will just select this one and let's search from the graphics, and here we have this one as you can see. I'll put it like that, and the size as you can see, and I'll put it in the middle like that, and I'll put it like that, as you can see. Right now we'll just add other things. For example, I will add here celebration birthdays. I will search for logos, for example, about this one like that, and also we'll select other things such as this one, as you can see. I'll put this one here, and also this one, I put it here, as you can see. All right, and here we have how it looks. Right now we'll add other things. For example, I will just right now search for other things. If you want to also add a text, you have just to select text, and you add a heading if you want, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. Also we have here font combinations, as you can see. And if you want to upload something, you click over uploads, and you have just to click over record yourself or upload files, and you get started as soon as possible by recording yourself. For example, we have here this background I already used on Canva, and also we have the second one here, and also you can just record yourself if you want by clicking over here, and you click over allow, you click over allow again, and you start recording yourself by click over record, and we have a 3 2 1, and you get started with this one. Then you click over done. Once you're done, right, then you have just to exit the studio. You click over exit without saving, and also we have here, if you don't like the background, you have to select the background that you want, and I think this one is better. And right now I will just add a little bit of body text here. I'll put it here. For example, I will just put it here. I will select here the size. I will just add here this color. I will just select here the white one, and alright, I will select also here bold, and alright, happy birthday hey brother, or something like, or friend, or great brother. And I will just put it here, and the size, put it here. Modify also the size of this one, put this one here, and I will add also other things here, as you can see. Let's just go to the elements, and I will select, for example, this one, modify also the size, and here we have your happy birthday, put it in the middle. So here we have it. So this GIF, as you can see, is just saying this one. Right now I will just click over here in the top right of GIF share, and I will just click over download, and I will select here as a GIF. Then you have just to select here for the save download settings, transparency background, and you get started. And also we have here other options such as zoom in, zoom out, and we have here scroll view if you want, grid view, preview if you want to ask Canva as well, and here we have how it looks our GIF. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.